How to fix Wild Hearts black screen after loading screen. 1. Backup then delete your game saves at c/users/ your username /documents /coitmo /wild hearts 2. Disable all overlay related settings. And /or apps. 3. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Roll back to previous drivers, if you can. 5. Update the Wild Hearts game and other installed apps regularly.